disconnect this connector right here. Just push down on the tab and slide it out. There's the connector, and just push down on that. And there's a wire retainer further down. You want to take that off with the harness, and then another connector. You want to take that off as well. So I'm just going to use a trim tool. Slide that off. Then the connector further down. This goes to the compressor. You want to take that off. And that connector will just slide down. Just wiggle it back and forth a little bit. There's a little tab on the bottom. You can push on that little tab, and then this whole connector will slide off. You don't have to disconnect the connector from each other, but you just want to slide it off the fan shroud. And slide that harness out of the way. Take these two screws out. Use a 10mm socket. And grab the fan assembly. Slide it out. You just wiggle it. And carefully slide it out. Now take the fan housing and line it up down below. Get the brackets lined up, put the bolts in. Make sure you have it lined up down below, and then tighten these down. Just snug, not too tight. Now line the connectors up. I'm going to put the AC compressor onto that bracket, just the connector for the AC compressor, and lock that down. And then the connector for the fan, line that up and lock it in. And where that little wire retainer is, you want to slide that into the hole and lock it down.